So apparently some genius thought, why not put a faucet on the exhaust of a motorcycle? Because when you think exhaust pipe, you immediately think kitchen sink, right? And guess what? It worked in the most ridiculous way possible. A faucet. The thing that should be stuck to your water tank is now proudly screwed onto the back of a motorcycle. And the result? Even people who actually know about mechanics had their jaws on the floor. Want to know why this bizarre idea makes sense somehow? Stick around for the step-by-step.